Hi, this is Christian Cantrell with Watch Report, and today I want to show you the Casio G-Shock GW-M5600BC, which is quite a designation. But this is a watch that I actually reviewed on Watch Report well over a year ago, and I still wear it pretty frequently, so I figured I'd throw together a quick video and let you see it in action. It's as you can see, it's a pretty classic G-Shock look. It sort of has that what I've come to call this sort of Battlestar Galactica type look. If you watch the show, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's a very classic G-Shock look, which I like. I know plenty of people who don't, but I think it's kind of a cool look. It's a very functional watch, although it looks like some of the old original G-Shocks. It's updated with the latest technology, so it's atomic, 5-band atomic. 5-band means that it'll sync with all the time signals in the world except for the atomic clock in China. You need the 6-band for that, and this is a little old to be 6-band, but still obviously perfectly functional. It's solar, so it has a solar cell around the perimeter here, which obviously the old ones weren't. It's got this sort of inverted LCD display, which is kind of interesting. I sort of like that. It just makes it a little bit different. And I'll just run through the features here real quick. We have roll time, of course. We have stopwatch. We have countdown timer. We have 5 daily alarms. One of them with a snooze alarm, and that pretty much covers it. 200 meter water resistance, which is of course plenty. What I really like about this watch, though, is it's sort of thin for a G-Shock, and I'll show it to you on my wrist here. You can see that it's for a G-Shock, it's pretty unobtrusive. It sits relatively low on my wrist, and it's very lightweight. It's a very lightweight watch. I wear it often to the gym or when I'm running, or sometimes I just just wear it for several days because it's so comfortable. I just don't take it off. In fact, you probably see the soap scum in there. That's from showering with it. Sometimes I'll just wear it for several days and not even think to change watches. It just sort of works. Of course, it has the backlight as well, the electroluminescent backlight, which is very functional. One of the things I really like about this also, though, and that makes it unique, is this bracelet, which is not something you typically see on a G-Shock. This is a sort of a hard plastic metal and metal bracelet. And when I first got this watch, I bought it online, so I didn't really know what to expect. When I first got it, I thought, man, this is kind of a cheap bracelet. This is, not really what I was hoping for. Well, after using it for a while, wearing it, I actually really like it. It's very, very lightweight. The plastic makes it very lightweight, but it's still very durable. It's durable enough for anything that I do, and it just makes it really easy to put on and take off. So I can just if I'm changing watches or want to take it off for whatever reason, sometimes I'm using my laptop and just don't want to wear my watch, and I can just take it off very quickly, a little bit easier than a traditional strap. It's also interesting in that it uses spring pins to hold the links together, as opposed to the typical pin and collar type design that you normally see, which means that you don't need any special tools to work with it at all. You just they're just spring pins. You just need something that's a little bit small that you can get in there and work the spring pins, but you can size it yourself, and then you have a very nice, durable, well priced, and sort of, I think, cool looking, sort of retro digital watch. So I highly recommend it. Thanks.